following message is transmitted at the request of the Motaco civil authorities. The MCA detected at least 200 nuclear bombs headed for Chakatar, Motaco. We believe these powerful bombs were sent by Leoville to show who is boss. At 11:45 a.m. MCA detected these bombs, so the only option is to evacuate. Now. We will now end this message. Leoville will pay for this attack. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Motaco civil authorities. The MCA reported at least half of Motaco's population have been wiped out. We are prepared for nuclear war as USA, Russia, China will help us. Thank you for all of the great memories, citizens. This is our last goodbye. Glory to Motaco.